This beautiful brown 1951 Smith Corona silent typewriter has been fully refurbished and it is ready to type. This Smith Corona silent typewriter is in near mint condition. It's been fully refurbished. Everything works on it as it should. The finish is in really good shape. It has a little bit of wear. It's a really light scuff mark across the top, and a really light mark here where there may have been a sticker at one time. And the back does have some scratches and scuffs on it. This typewriter also comes with its original cleaning brush, which is kind of used, but still usable. The case is in fair condition. It has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. It shows a good bit of wear on the corners where the cloth has worn off over the years. There are some spots on it, and lots of bare spots on the corners especially. That's for the 1951 Smith Corona silent typewriter.